fine. Let's go. Go. Right. So, what's your favourite bit today?
We met Chipmunk and we painted loads. And you put stencils and you made really cool black stencil things.
Oh, I
look
did.
Really cool.
Yeah, I know. I think the best bit of today was meeting up with loads of other people who,
Yeah, they were
you know,
really nice.
joining together for one cause. You know.
But Chipmunk, my favourite artist.
You know what? I've never even heard of Chipmunk
He was really
until
good.
Seriously, but
Seriously, he was really good.
he was really amazing live, especially the girl singer.
Her vocals were really good.
Amazing! Oh my god! And like, which
It was really good. Yeah.
and like what else? Just painting in general was fun. I mean, we
And
got
meeting
to
new people